Alright, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the wall mount lamp. It has a backlight. The length of it is about 7.5 inches. The width is about 3 inches. The little turret is about a little over 4.25, and the head of that is just a little over an inch. Alright, and the turret will go all the way out. Of course, this will be hanging on the wall like this, and swings all the way around. Has a nice backlight to it. You can see here. And of course, it's got the turret light. That's pretty bright. I mean, it really is kind of a bright light. It's more of a focus beam, which is made for reading. I'll show you what it looks like on the wall. Alright, as you can see, the backlight lights up the wall very well. It's got light going all the way around it. And of course, then you have the second option. I'm just holding it up there because I don't know exactly where I want to place this. But then you have the turret that you can swing around anywhere you want. Of course, the room is dark right now. And this is what the beam looks like coming out of the turret. And it's a nifty little light. It's got a nice heavy business-like feel to it. It feels like the construction's very well. So overall, I think it's good. Anyways, I hope this helps. Y'all have a wonderful day and see ya.